In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this dotted transparency material. By the way, I got my old mouse back, and its button issues have completely disappeared, even though I didn't do anything to fix them. This material would look good on teleportation or invisibility projects. I have created a teapot from the menu. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Here are the full nodes. The idea is to control the BSDF node's IOR setting, in order to trigger the invisibility illusion. What's interesting is the fact that the material seems to ignore the basic color. The IOR takes control, and the shininess we see on the material is from that, not from the metallic and roughness material settings. Please experiment with the node settings, especially the map range node. Notice the metallic setting was set to 0, and if we increase it, the basic color takes over. Also, please set the transmission to 1, otherwise the transparency won't work well. This is a math node, and it can be set to other math settings. Other settings can create very interesting effects as well. This node can be other texture nodes. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.